Here I've got DOOGEE S50, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first, just open your phone dialer, then go to keypad and enter a secret code, which is *#06#, and as you can see, both IMEI numbers are right in front of you. Click on OK to go back, and now we will open both numbers, like IMEI and serial number, through the settings. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select About Phone, and here click on Status. And now under IMEI information, you can come along with both IMEI numbers assigned to your DOOGEE, and then a bit lower, over here, you've got serial number, which is assigned to your device. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can locate both numbers, truly unique numbers, that describes your DOOGEE. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.